Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get the environment running for causal graphical models. The GitHub page from PGM, probabilistic ML book, as well as the PGM PY at the same time. As I mentioned in class, this includes a little bit of manipulation, but that's our life as data scientists. Anyway, so the first thing that we would like to do is, as you see, I start with my base environment, and I would like to show you how to create a new Conda environment. I'm sure you all know by now, but just to show you that everything starts from scratch. So we want to Conda create -n, and that's let's call this base. I'm gonna call it base 2 because I already have an environment named base. I don't want to mess up my already existing environment, and I would like to have it Python 3.10. The reason for that is that I don't want to use the most recent Python. Never. It's not cutting edge, it's bleeding edge. Anyway, so let's go ahead and start create this environment. Okay, say yes. Environment is created. Okay, the next thing that I would like to do, obviously I want to select the kernel, and I want it to be my new environment, which is base 2 here. Okay, and obviously when I run this, it's okay, it will want the ipykernel package, and that's by the way, this is new thanks to Visual Studio Code. Previously it was not even seeing the new environment. You had to previously install the pip install ipykernel. You had to do it previously. You had to do it by yourself. So obviously it doesn't have the probml utils yet, and I would like to install that. And but first, so in my terminal, I want to go to my Conda activate base 2, so that both of them are in the same environment. And the way that I install it is I clone from their GitHub page. So I cloned it, and I want to go to this prob utils and install it here. Install the already existing packages, and you see it's already getting a lot of what's going to be needed. Okay, for now I'm not gonna continue installing everything that it complains, just to simulate an environment that we handle one by one when it complains, read so when something is missing, and undo, install it when we need to install. Alright, the installation is complete. I get so happy, and then I think that I'm running, and it says it's still not here. The reason for that, I need to restart the kernel, and when I run, it's not going to run again. It's caching some of the things. It's going to again give me an error because it's going to be missing some things, but what? Let's see. Alright, now the thing that I'm missing is causal graphical models. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy, and in my terminal I'm gonna do pip install causal graphical models. It's installed. Let me restart. I guess for pip I don't even need to restart, just like Conda, but just to make sure. Okay, now it's giving me another error that says causal graphical models collections. So that's, remember in class I mentioned that you're going to face one error, because this causal graphical models is good with something some Python less than 3.3, but I don't want to be that far, but there's this little update that I want to do. So this collections doesn't have iterable, but collections ABC has it, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna copy this. So this is the trick, focus on. So I'm gonna copy this, and I would like to open this. You can go ahead and open it, but I use my editor here in my in the terminal. So what I do is I use VI editor, and I paste in the directory for the thing that I want to update, and I open up. So this is, now you see this is a text editor, and my mouse, I'm like in the pre-95 era right now. I'm not using my mouse, I'm using my arrows to navigate. So the thing that I want to change is this, right? So I come to this line, and first of all I press I, as in India, I press I, and you see this, it says little insert on the bottom, so it shows that I am in the insert mode. I navigate to the end of the collections, and I press .abc. So I need to exit this. So to exit, I press escape once, and you see the insert has disappeared. And to save and close this, I do capital ZZ, Zulu Zulu, right? So capital ZZ. I press in my keyboard capital ZZ, now it's closed. So now I changed. If you want to make sure that I changed and saved, I open up, you see that it's changed. So I escape again with capital ZZ. This is how I close the open document, and I run it. Okay, I hope that it's no longer gonna give me the causal graphical models error. Hopefully I'm gonna get a new error. So that's your life as data scientist. You will be happy for errors, but as long as it's a new error. The thing that's the most depressing is seeing the same error. Alright, so it ran, and let's go, and I might have to install some more things, but let's see. Okay, Bayesian network, it works, and this works. Alright, I guess, yeah, let's see one of the fancy graphs, and then I think this video is over. Oops, it didn't work. Okay, perfect. So what am I missing? I'm missing the graphviz. Okay, let's go and install the graphviz, the thing in the beginning that okay, this conda install graphviz. Alright, perfect. So now let's go ahead and run everything. Yeah, just to make sure, let's restart, and let's clear all outputs. Let's load the model. Let me minimize my terminal. I hope that I'm done with the terminal now. Okay, true. I get the CPDs, inference. Yay! Now I have the model, the conditional probability tables, everything. Perfect. Because we walked through the what's going on inside them in class. This is just for programming sake. Okay, now I'm doing the exhaustive search, which is probably 10 seconds or so. And yeah, everything is running. Yep, All right, perfect. So this is the end of the video.